Hello everyone, this is Vishwajit Burman from Gossip Funda. We are starting with a series of Git and GitHub. We will learn very basic of Git and GitHub, and in this video we see what is Git, what is GitHub, use of Git, and is it free to use or not. Start with what is Git. It is a version control system, that is VCS. It tracks our changes file and folders to repository. Git is generally used for collaborate with teams. Now what is GitHub? GitHub is a website where we upload our repository. GitHub is fast, flexible and collaborate with developer online. What is the use of Git? Already we discussed it is a version control system and track changes the files and folders. But basically it is a like storage device. We can store here our programming files and folders. Is it free to use? Yes, it is a free to use and open source. Anyone can use it for store your files and folders. You can store here any file, any folder, whatever you want to store, you can store in your Git repository. Before we start with commands, let's set up our environment. Go to your favorite browser, search for Git. Go to the first link and download it from here. I have already in my PC, so after downloading I hope you can install by yourself. After installation, now create any folder, new folder to open and right click and go to git bash here. I suggest you to go to git bash, not for git GUI. It's a little bit difficult to understand. Now first, for installing or initialize our GitHub, Git, start with our Git repository. Type git space init, git init. It initialize our Git repository, like here .git is a repository. For check that the repository has created or not, ls space hyphen small a, enter. Here the Git repository. Now create some files. For creating file, touch space file name and then extension. Please give the extension. Without extension it doesn't create any file. For file we use touch gossipfunda.txt. press enter, it create a file. Now for this let open the folder, write anything and then Ctrl S to save and cut it. Now open the git bash again and write git add space file name, that gossipfunda.txt. it added. Now for commit, git commit -m double quotation, inside quotation give a message for remember that this is the first file, or you change any file. We can use first file because this is our first file, so I write first file and enter. It change that git file in initialize create mode git for checking that our file commit or not. Git status for check, no branch, nothing to commit, work trace clean. Like again we can create a file main.txt, enter. Now check git status. It so that untracked file, that main.txt, we don't even add it or even don't even do any committed. So for add git add and file name that main.txt, enter. Now again check git status. It's here that change to committed, that unstage, it go to unstage. It is added in our git repository, but not even save right now. It move from one folder to another folder, but not even save properly. For save we use git commit m and second file and enter. Now again check git status, that nothing to commit, working tree is clean. These are the basic commands we use in our git. In our next video we go for some more commands and also discuss about the uses of this command. Please do like, share and subscribe for the next series, and check out our Gossip Funda blog for more interesting topics. All the links of our websites are in the description below. Please check out, and please do comment and for your queries and for more updates. Thank you.